Have you ever wondered why the poinsettia becomes the star of the holiday season? With its vibrant colors and elegant beauty, this remarkable plant has captured hearts around the world. Today, let's discover the fascinating story of Euphorbia pulcherrima, better known as the poinsettia. Is one of the world's most popular ornamental plants, admired for its bright-colored bracts and festive appearance. Beyond its beauty, it has become a symbol of celebration, bringing color to homes, gardens, and public spaces during the winter season. Poinsettia is native to Mexico and Central America, where it naturally grows in tropical dry forests and scrublands. Today, it is cultivated across the world as an ornamental plant and is especially popular in North America, Europe, and many parts of Asia because of its colorful winter display. Poinsettia is an upright, bushy perennial shrub that usually grows between 1 and 4 feet tall in cultivation. It has dark green, ovate leaves with pointed tips and toothed edges. Its fibrous root system spreads through the upper layer of the soil, while its green to reddish stems provide strong support for the plant. One of the most fascinating facts about poinsettias is that the colorful red, pink, white, cream, or marbled parts are not flowers at all. They are modified leaves called bracts. The actual flowers are tiny yellow cup-shaped structures known as cyathea, located at the center. Poinsettias naturally bloom during winter when the days become shorter. The life of a poinsettia begins with a tiny seed. After germination, it develops into a young seedling and gradually grows into a healthy plant with fresh leaves and stems. As winter approaches and daylight hours, poinsettias thrive in bright, indirect sunlight for about 4 to 6 hours each day. The soil should remain moist but never waterlogged, and a well-draining, fertile soil rich in organic matter with a slightly acidic pH creates the ideal environment for healthy growth. Poinsettia is a moderate-growing perennial shrub. Its colorful display begins during winter, with peak blooming from December through February. The bright bracts can remain attractive for 6 to 12 weeks when properly cared for, while the plant itself may live for many years and can even survive for several decades under suitable conditions. Although widely grown as an ornamental plant, poinsettia also contributes to the ecosystem. Its flowers attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, providing valuable pollen and nectar. These pollinators support healthy biodiversity while helping maintain balanced garden ecosystems and encouraging beneficial plant interactions. Poinsettia is mainly valued as an ornamental plant because of its striking appearance. It is widely used to decorate homes, offices, gardens, hotels, and public landscapes. Its colorful bracts also make it a favorite choice for floral arrangements and festive displays. Traditionally, some communities have used different parts of the plant in folk medicine, although it should always be handled with proper care. Here's something surprising. The colorful parts we admire are actually leaves, not flowers. Poinsettias change color only when nights become longer than days, making them true short-day plants. They are named after Joel Roberts Poinsett, the first United States ambassador to Mexico, who introduced the plant to America in the 19th century. Poinsettias are not considered endangered, but proper care is essential for healthy growth. Overwatering, pests such as whiteflies and aphids, and exposure to extreme cold can damage the plant. Growing them responsibly, using organic fertilizers, recycling plant waste, and supporting local nurseries all contribute to sustainable cultivation and environmental conservation. Period. Poinsettia is a beautiful ornamental shrub, recognized for its colorful bracts rather than its tiny true flowers. It grows best in bright, indirect light, well-drained soil, and moderate watering. With proper care, it rewards gardeners with vibrant winter colors and remains one of the most iconic decorative plants in the world. Thank you for watching this episode of GreenVerse. If you enjoyed learning about the fascinating world of poinsettia, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant documentaries. Until next time, explore, learn, grow.